The next IDE tool is RStudio. RStudio is primary purpose is to create free and open source software for data science, scientific research, and technical communication. So the RStudio basically works for R, and it also works for many other languages like Python and many more, but primarily was designed for working with the language R. R is a statistical programming language, and it has got many packages. Packages are extension to the R language, and these packages contain code, data, documentation in a standardized collection format that can be installed by users of R, typically via a centralized software repository such as CRAN. Large number of packages are available for R. The common R packages are tidyverse. It's a package for data science. This is a favorite because just installing this one package will in turn install many other packages like ggplot2, dplyr, tidyr, per, and so. Then we have another package, Shiny, which is one which is very much useful for interactive web technology, useful for visualization purposes. Then we have a wonderful tool under R packages, that is R Markdown. So Markdown documents make it easy for users to mix the text with the code of different languages, most commonly R. What we do here is when you are creating a code, then along with the code we do require the documents to be prepared. So the best way is to go with the R Markdown, and here all the necessary documents are attached along with your code. So it makes one HTML file, so we can directly upload it onto any web. Then we have a Flex dashboard, which is used for publishing group of related data visualizations as one dashboard. So you can just put all the required visualizations onto a single dashboard. Then we have TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is a open source software library for machine intelligence. When we are working with machine learning, then we have data which has too many number of attributes. So when the number of attributes is very large, then if we are talking of n attributes, then in reality we are dealing with n dimensional data structure. So when you are working with n dimensional data structure, it becomes very difficult for working in a simple language. So we do require some high level APIs, high level abstraction, and that's provided through TensorFlow. So many tools are available through TensorFlow, and on the TensorFlow we have another layer called Keras, and that will help us in simplifying our work further. Then tidy models, you have ready-made models are available which were already designed for solving some problem, and if that solution can be useful for solving our problem with minor modifications, then it would be a great help if we can use them. So that's tidy models available. Then other one is the Spark distributed machine learning library. So together with this model, we can easily create and tune machine learning workflows on Spark, orchestrated entirely within R. So this whole thing can be done inside R environment. Other packages like string R, that's a consistent, simple, easy to use set of wrappers around the string I package. Reticulate, plumber, knit R. So knit R is one which dynamic reports are created combining R, text, markdown and HTML. Yeah, that's a wonderful tool we have. So when you are into a big task, then better keep creating the reports dynamically, and there the markdown will come to our aid, and knitr will be a wonderful tool in generating HTML files, so you can directly put it onto the web. So these are some of the packages most commonly used. This is not limited to this, but it's most commonly used packages we have. Many more things to follow as we get into details into other sessions. So keep watching. Thank you. That's about R.